Well done. Crocodile. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Bike में बड़ी and it's me Sagar Lama. What's up, कैसे हो, कसो छो and नमस्कार to all. टाइटल से आपको पता चल गया होगा कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary, which is one of the largest bird sanctuary in the state of Karnataka. So this ride I am not taking alone. I am going with my friend Tawfiq. The place where I am right now is very close to Ranganathitu. It's only 3 kilometers from here. So me and Tawfiq started from Bangalore together, but I reached here early. So I'm waiting for him. So that one is the entrance. It's written Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary. Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary is around 130 km from Bangalore and it takes around 2 to 3 hours of ride to reach here. तौफीक आ गया है, अभी फिर निकलते हैं हम.
कैमरा का लो 200 का 100 रुपीज़ आ रहा है. कितने लेंस है तुम्हारे? 300 500 रुपीज़ आ रहा है. लास्ट टाइम 1 मंथ बिफोर आए पास कुछ नहीं कर रहा था.
DSLR और SLR below 200 mm lens 100 rupees. DSLR above 200 mm 500.
कहाँ का है मेरा?
One ticket and one bike sir.
85 रुपीज़.
हाँ.
You no camera ना?
No.
About 200 lens is 1000 rupees fine. Where they are inside their checking. हाँ, checking is there.
So this is my ticket. Entry ticket is 70 rupees and the parking is 15 rupees. They are stealing sugarcane. Ranganatha Bird Sanctuary. So this is where we have parked our bike. Canteen. अभी हम ब्रेकफास्ट करके निकले हैं, जा रहे हैं अंदर. अभी बर्ड सेंचुरी देखेंगे क्या है और आपको भी दिखाएंगे. क्या हुआ, मिला कुछ ऐसा शॉट्स? मुंह में पकड़ा हुआ है, देखा ना. So if you have waste, plastic, use this dustbin. So Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary has as many as 170 species of birds. There are a lot of bird information are also given on the roadside. So we don't know all the species, all the bird names. So if you want to figure it out, you can see these boards. Painted stock. This is one of the best destination for bird photography. So we are going to the boating. This is boating ticket. 140 rupees for 2 person. So our armor is ready. So life jacket is on. थोड़ी देर बाद हम बोट पे रहेंगे. Our boat ride is started. That's the crocodile. That's, we saw another crocodile. टॉफी क्रोकोडाइल भी है यार।
अरे बाप रे,
भैया थोड़ा सामने ले लो उधर।
इसका मुंह नहीं दिखा, मुंह छिपा के बैठा है।
हाँ बहुत बड़ा है यार। अरे बाप रे बाप। अरे यार तो ये स्टैचू जैसा लग रहा है ना। दिस क्रोकोडाइल सो बिग। Crocodile we have seen just. So we are just done with the boating and it was a fantastic ride. We have seen so many species of birds.
But important thing is we saw crocodile.
Look at the teeth of the crocodile which Tawfiq took. Well done. पैसा वसूल है 500 रुपये तेरा।
300 mm का तो यही पता।
Lot of species of birds we have seen. So most of the birds are migrated from different countries like Serbia and America. Some of the birds are migrated from northern part of India as well.
We saw pelican, black color painted stork, the regular cormorant, and egret, cattle egret we saw.
So 4 species. Pelican, very common bird which I know.
And the painted stork.
Painted stork also I know.
But black color painted stork I saw. I usually have seen
Pink one.
Pink one. This is black color painted stork.
So we both have come back again to the hotel. बड़ा प्यास लग रहा था तो यहाँ पर आए हैं। पानी का बोतल भी लेंगे और चाय भी पियेंगे। बहुत गर्मी है।
अभी नहीं, लेकिन वो लाइफ जैकेट पहन के गरम है।
फिर चाय पीते हैं अभी, ठीक है। अभी ये सामने जो ब्रिज है ये काफ़ी सुंदर सा ब्रिज है। Ranganatha Tittu Bird Sanctuary is located in Mandya district, 3 km from the historic town of Srirangapatna and 16 km from Mysuru. It is one of the famous tourist attraction near Bangalore and tourists comes in lakhs to visit this bird sanctuary. So this bird sanctuary is also called Pakshi Kashi of Karnataka. और सामने एक वॉच टावर है, इसके ऊपर चलते हैं। So there is a croc sitting on that rock. So I don't know how much my camera is justifying while filming the birds. I hope you'd like it. ये पार्क बहुत बड़ा पार्क है और इस पार्क का मैं एक चक्कर लगा रहा हूँ। जस्ट रोमिंग। तौफीक वहाँ पर बैठकर फोटोग्राफी कर रहा है और तब से मास्क लगा कर बात कर रहा हूँ, तो अभी मास्क थोड़ा खोल लेते हैं। शांति लग रहा अभी। Ranganatha Tittu Islands were formed when an embankment was built across the Kaveri River in 1950 around by the then King of Mysore. Due to this, there are as many as 25 islands were formed, and that started attracting birds from across the country and world. To protect the bird of this area, then King declared this place as protected area in 1940. The nearby area of this sanctuary is declared as eco-sensitive zone. That means certain commercial activities cannot take place without the permission of government. बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, गर्मी से हाल बेहाल हो रहा है, पसीना काफ़ी ज़्यादा निकल रहा है और यहाँ पर ह्यूमिडिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। लिस्ट ऑफ ट्री थीम पार्क, तो यहाँ पर सारे पेड़ का नाम दिया गया है जो पेड़ इस पार्क में है। So monkeys are social animal. That's so true. They take care of each other. So एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखना जीवन का आधार है। Ranganatha Tittu Bird Sanctuary opens at 8:30 in the morning and close by 5:45 p.m. इस टाइम के हिसाब से आप आओ and spend a quality time here with your friends and family. So boating is one of the major highlight here, but the park is equally beautiful. Tawfiq is not happy at all with the kind of they have charged on the camera and lens.
Earlier when I came, there was no charges, not even for the camera, but this time they are charging 200 and 200 and above is 100 rupees. Whatever lens you have and whatever the cost of your lens, but irrespective of that, if your focal length exceeds 200 mm, then you have to pay 500 rupees. That charge is not at all justified. 500 rupees too much for clicking some pictures.
Roughly there are 170 bird species have been recorded in Ranganatha Tittu Bird Sanctuary. This place is very popular for bird nesting. Around 8,000 nesting have been found in this sanctuary, and around 50 pelican species have made this place their permanent home. Winter is the best time to visit this place between November to February month. This sanctuary has the largest freshwater crocodile population in Karnataka state. So we are hungry now. We'll have food. So we had our breakfast here. We had tea and now we finished our lunch. एक ही होटल है यहाँ पर खाना खाने के लिए. So it's 4 PM in the evening, but people are keep coming to this place. काफ़ी crowded है ये अभी. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं डॉक्टर सलीम अली इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर की तरफ, and we'll see कि वहाँ पर क्या है. I think that place would have all the information about the birds. So we'll go inside and check that. Map showing some of the bird sanctuaries of India. We are at here 16 रंगनाथ टू बर्ड सेंचुरी. कर्नाटका में देख 1 2 3 है. चिल्ली का अपना उड़ीसा
उसमें मंगलाडोडी.
So I was right. This place has information about the birds. Don't make noise, enjoy bird watching in silence. Small yet significant. Ranganatha food chain. This is the map of Ranganatha Tittu Bird Sanctuary. So, we are here. चलो. We had a great time here in this bird sanctuary. मेरे साथ तौफिक भी है. तौफिक प्लीज उसको इसके Instagram ID में फॉलो करो. So he is a seasoned wildlife photographer. Go to his Instagram account and find the beautiful photos.
You can follow me. Link is given below. तौफिक राजा फोटोग्राफी. तो आप मुझे फॉलो करेंगे तो दिल को लगेगा काफी अच्छा.
Link will be given in the description. Guys, I'm going to keep some pictures of Tawfiq which he has taken in this bird sanctuary. वीडियो के एंड में वो पिक्चर्स होगा, आप जरूर देखिए. So we are done with today's exploration of Ranganatha Tittu Bird Sanctuary. Time to क्लोज द व्लॉग. और अगर ये व्लॉग आपको अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर, नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करके जाना. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ द डे. सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. अंटिल देन लिव अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ, राइड सेफ एंड मेक मेमोरीज. बाय बाय.